So, got this baby. Quite excited about this one because although the Deity mic is okay, I've been told that this, or I've had reviews, this one is a really good upgrade to have on desk, you know, a stationary desk. I do use the Deity to move from room to room if I'm doing something else in a different room, but I wanted this to sound a bit more professional for you guys, and also I don't have to edit the sound quality and everything every time I record a video, as I'm spending quite a lot of time doing this. So this is the Rode NT USB Plus Professional USB microphone. That's the front of the box. It says Revolution preamp, low noise, high gain, USB connectivity, headphone output, studio quality processing. It says the box contains the mic, the detachable pop filter. Let's see if it's different with this one. Pop filter. A desk stand, which as shown in reviews, not very good. I do tend to use the small rig Magic Arms quite a lot with the universal mount. I will put a link up for the Magic Arms that I have reviewed. Have a look in my playlist for setting up YouTube. I have a whole host of different things that I've posted on there as I've unboxed them and become more aware of things that I need to make filming easier and also for it to look better and sound better for you guys. But yeah, the desk stand doesn't seem to be great reviews, but I will look at that obviously when we take it out of the box. There's a ring mount, and there is 1x SC29 USB-C to USB-C cable, 3 meters. It's good that they actually give you a decent length as well. On the back this says, just in case you can't see it, it says professional grade USB microphone, ultra low noise, high gain Revolution preamp, high powered headphone output with 0 latency monitoring, internal DSP for studio quality processing, detachable pop filter and desktop stand included. The NT USB Plus is a professional grade USB microphone for recording exceptional audio directly to a computer or mobile device. It features a high quality condenser capsule and an ultra low noise, high gain Revolution preamp, delivering pristine sound quality ideal for a wide variety of recording applications, including vocals and instruments, podcasting, streaming and more. Studio quality audio processing is accessible via Rode app for taking any projects to the next level, and a high power headphone output with 0 latency monitoring ensures recording is seamless. So one of the main reasons why I went for this one is that you can do it to your mobile. I don't have a computer set up, I don't have a PC in the house, I do have a laptop, but I use my tablet and my phone for everything, for editing, the videos, doing everything like that. So this was quite suitable for what I was hoping for. So let's get this box open and see if it works how I need it to work. Another slidey sleeve. So we have a sleeve that's slidey that comes on the outside, which comes off like that. Then on the inside it's got exactly the same write-up on it. The picture's not as good, obviously they've put that on the outer sleeve. The box seems to be, let's have a look inside. So, let's get rid of some of the cardboard. So in this first box, we have the desk stand, and this was what people was saying wasn't that great, and it toppled over quite a lot. It just feels like quality plastic, to be honest. It's got your adapter there, it's got these little rubber washers so you can get a good grip on what you're actually turning onto it. Seems okay at the moment, but I think some of the reasons why people was leaving bad reviews was because when the microphone was sat on it, it was sort of tipping over. So we'll test that out in a moment. This is the microphone itself, which I'll put to one side for now, just to show you what else you get in the box. We get this 3-meter cable, which, like I said, I'm really happy about. This one goes directly to the microphone and directly into your camera or your mobile device, whatever you're using it for. So I'm really pleased with that. And then we get a couple of quick start books, and that's the box empty. So the 2 little books, one's a safety guide and one's a quick start guide. I like quick start guides. So let's get the microphone unpackaged. I'm just hoping this stops me having to do a lot of editing when it comes to the sound quality. So that's how it comes out the box. Now it feels a good weight. Oh, we got some free food. Oh, it says don't eat. Oh well, we'll leave that then. Anyway, yeah, it feels a good quality. You can tell straight away that you know, it's a decent quality mic. Like I said, I don't know a lot about all this kind of stuff. I'm not a tech review channel. I'm just basically opening products that I'm going to use in my YouTube videos, and hopefully give you some ideas of what, you know, what could be suitable for yourself. So you get this bit of foam that's in between the microphone and the pop filter, and this opens for the stand to attach, and then this is movable depending on obviously where you want the microphone to point. On the bottom is where the cable goes, and then obviously that links directly into whatever you're plugging it into. On the side we have the headphone jack, we have the headphone volume, and phone to headphones. Now, as far as I know, there's an app that you need to download for this, which obviously I will be doing. Today's just about the unboxing. Yeah, feels really quality. It's quite heavy really. It's metal casing. This has got like metal wire. I'm not sure if there's a technical name for it, but there's a metal wire. And then you've got this pop filter. Then you've got this that stands onto the base. So let's have a look at getting that set onto that. I'm presuming that'll be the easiest way to put it on. Right, so that tightens up. I'm presuming where it tightens up to. Right, so you can move that about and tighten that up, just so we can get this stand in the right place. So, the way I'm thinking is, if the weight is at the front, which obviously the microphone is quite heavy, then the 2 longer ones need to be at the back. Now that doesn't fall over, that's stood up. I wish I could get a better angle on this camera for you, which I will have in future. I've just unboxed the ZV-1, so I will have another camera to show different angles of things rather than just the overhead one. But that, as you can see, that was stood up on the desk, wasn't falling over. It's not flexing that much, so you know you could have it on your desk. I'm going to be attaching it to one of the small rig arms that I have. Again, there's a link up on that. For you're best off checking my playlist for all these little things that I've bought for the YouTube journey, or my YouTube journey. But yeah, this seems, the desk mount seems fine. I'm not really sure why people found it a problem. As obviously if you put the weight over on this side, it will topple over. So basically what I've done is put it on the front 2 legs like that, and then the back one just to hold the extra weight, unless they had it in some weird position, you know, leaning really, let's have a look. So even leaning really far forward, yeah, it might tip if you knock it, but it's on the table. I don't see any issues with it, but just because I know I'm clumsy, I'm just going to tilt it back a bit for me to make sure I don't have any problems. Okay, so I will get this set up. I will do a review on this as a single item once I've set it up and I know what I'm talking about a bit better. Today's about the unboxing, like I said before. Check out all the other links, and also in the future when I've done the comparison videos I will put links in this video for that as well. And so keep a watch out, subscribe, like, share, and hopefully you will see future videos where I'm actually using this and see if the quality is any good. Okay, I'll leave you there for now. Thanks for watching everybody. Bye.